Hi, dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to install Mozilla Firefox on your Windows 11. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button on this video. So let's get started. First of all, open your Chrome browser and search for Mozilla Firefox. Then open this first website. Then click on Download Firefox. Now the downloading will start. After the download is complete, just double-click on the downloaded file. Then click on Yes. After that, you will see the Install option. Click on it. Since I have already installed it, you can see the Reinstall option here. So, click on it. Now wait until the installation process is finished. After that, this page will open. Click on Save and Continue. If you want to pin this browser, you can click on Yes, then click on Skip this step. Again, click on Skip this step. And one more time, click on Skip this step. Finally, click on Start Browsing. That's it. Now you can use Mozilla Firefox without any problems. So, friends, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button on this video. Thanks for watching.